it's Liz Yuille from Old Staples Crafts. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Today I am sharing my product shares with you. I've already sent the details to my current customers. They got details with their catalogues when I sent those out, and I have also circulated the information to the people on my newsletter, but I thought I would share it with everybody else as well. So, paper shares. I have got all of the papers that I was allowed to get, most of the papers I was allowed to get in pre-order. So this is kind of everything that I have already had my mucky little paws on. So we've got the in-colour papers. These are actually, that's not in-colour paper, that is part of the Forever Florals, no, Flowers for Every Season paper pattern set. These are the ones that I did the video get 144 cards out of one paper pack on. They're gorgeous. I mean, they are just stunning. These are the backs. So there's something for everyone in this. So if you like the more, the more tone on tone, you've got that. And if you like full on colour, you've got that as well. The one that I find completely eye-popping is, now which one was it? No, well that one's pretty eye-popping. It was, oh yes, this one. Oh, that I do find fairly eye-popping. But they're all gorgeous in their own right, and they are great for all seasons. We've even got poinsettias. And if you catch my video tomorrow, you will also see how this goes with one of the stamp sets in the beginner's brochure that I am one of the very first people in the world to have. More of that tomorrow. So that's the Flowers for Every Season set. This is the new In Colour Designer Series paper set. So these are all 6x6. And again, we've got patterns on both sides. I love a drawn wood grain. I like wood grain anyway, but I do like that kind of drawn wood grain. So I'm a very happy person, and I am really loving the Magenta Madness. I wasn't sure, but I am loving it. The more I use the card and the papers, the more I love them. This is World of Good, and this is the Specialty Designer Series paper. So it's got brass foiling, and now when did I do the brass? Yesterday. I did a comparison between brass and copper and brass and gold, and the brass is really mirror finished, whereas the gold and the copper are more satin silk finished. It is also a slightly more orange colour than either of the other two, but it is gorgeous. So this is the A sides. These are, let's get my grammar right, these are the A sides, which are, this one I think is just divine. We've got maps of Europe, we've got maps of somewhere, we have maps of North America, probably on the B side somewhere. So these are the B sides, there we are. So this is North America, and I do mean North America, not the United States. So it does include Canada. So lots of really nice solids, what I would call solids, what I would call plains, to go with the real glitz and glamour of the A side. Great for male themed projects, obviously. This is the In Good Taste pattern paper, which is huge. There are 24 sheets, because although it's 12 by 12, there are 12 double-sided patterns. So these are one side, and if I scooch the card in, let me see if I can do this. So that's the backing card. Oh, actually, I can do it. So these are the other patterns. So we've got Rococo Rose in here. We've got Petal Pink, as well as Basic Grey, Early Espresso, Grey Granite, Night of Navy, Smoky Slate, Very Vanilla, and Whisper White. So it's a really good kind of useful, what I would call useful set, because you can use it on either white projects or vanilla projects, and sometimes I want to use papers on both, and you find the paper you want to use and you can't use it because it's got a white background or something. And then this is the Forever Greenery, which is just divine. Again, we've got lovely patterns, great for both male and female projects, and then the reverse are equally gorgeous. Let me make sure you can see the reverse. So that, again, I would call them more of a solid, and I know this is very patterned, but I would use it as a solid. I kind of see it as a solid. This is from scrapbooking, whether you see something as a solid or a pattern. So those are all the papers that I have got my sticky paws on at the moment. There are, let me see, 76 pieces in my share. If you were to buy, there's Artistry Blooms, which I don't have, Forever Flowers, sorry, Flowers for Every Season, I'm going to get that wrong for the next year, Flowers for Every Season, Forever Greenery, In Good Taste, Ornate Gardens Specialty, Peony Garden, Playing with Patterns, Playful Pets, Whale of a Time, World of Good, and the In Colour. That would cost you, if you ordered all of those, £134 plus your postage. You can get a quarter share, which is 76 pieces, and I'll cut the 12 by 12 so that they're 12 by 6. So you'll get 76 pieces for the bargain price of £35, including postage. This is UK only. My agreement with Stamping Up is that I only sell within the UK. So UK only, £35 including postage. And then if you want the ribbons, let me grab the ribbons that I already have, which are these. So these are the new In Colour ribbons, which are gorgeous. I have shown you these on my product haul video. So we've got the In Colour ribbons, there's a Pool Party sheer ribbon, which I don't have, Playful Pets, which I don't have, Ornate Gardens, which I don't have, Grey Granite Shimmer, which I don't have, Flowers for Every Season combo, which is this set. So you've got this lovely white cotton, lightweight cotton ribbon, a gingham and a twine. This is Misty Moonlight and white with a silver twine running, a silver thread running through it. Faux Suede, which is this one. This goes with the World of Good specialty paper. And the Forever Greenery combo, which are these two. So this is like a bandage. It's an open weave vanilla bandage kind of feel. I mean, it's gorgeous. I don't want to play down. It's like a gauze. And then a gold trim. Playing with Patterns, which I don't have, and Gingham ribbon, which is in Bumblebee, which I don't have, but it's on its way. But it's similar to this from what I've seen in the catalogue. So that lot, you'll get a quarter of a reel. If you were to buy them all, it would cost you £92.25. Again, you would have to add postage on top of that. For a quarter share, which is 40 yards in total, it will cost you £25, and of course you can combine the two. So that is my ribbon share and my combined share. I'm also doing a launch party. Let me clear the decks of these a little. So I'm doing a launch party, which is, I'm doing two things actually, let's be clear. So on Wednesday, on the 3rd, at 1 o'clock, over on my business Facebook page, which is linked in the information below here, I will be doing a walkthrough of the catalogue, and I will be sharing my favourite products. I will be pointing out what I think are some hidden gems. So that is on Facebook Live on the 3rd. And then because we were suffering with delivery issues in Europe, my launch party, which I did a similar thing for the spring-summer, I mean, it was an absolute hoot. I'm not doing my launch party until the beginning of July, so that I am absolutely 100% certain that everything will have arrived. It will there are various options. So let me just pop these away and then I can show you my flyer, which I will have on my website, and that will be linked below. The post for this will be immediately below in the description bar. So, Saturday the 11th of July, there are various options. There is the launch party basic option, which is the make and take kits, the combined share, videos of how to make up your kits, PDFs of how to make up your kits, and the party, and I'll come on to what's included. That's £75. You can include that party kit and add on the Celebrate Sunflowers bundle, which I have been using lots. It is the one that I think was made specifically for me because it's got sunflowers on, and of course I now can't lay my hands on it. There it is. So it's this set which comes with these dies. So you can add that on for £122.50. You can add on the Nothing's Better Than bundle, which I can't show you because it's not on the pre-order, and have it with the launch party, and that's £118. Again, the launch party box and the ridiculously awesome stamp set is £95. You can have all of it for £185 plus a surprise product. Or, now these are all for people in the UK. If you are not in the UK, you can have the PDFs and video tutorials only for £20. The videos will be recorded in advance, and links to the videos and PDFs will be emailed out during the week leading up to the party. Throughout the 12th of July, I will be going live on an exclusive Facebook group. There will be games, prize patrols. The launch party pack includes an all-attendee giveaway, which will be from the new catalogue. All of the prizes will be from the new catalogue. If you're not available on the 11th of July, you can't win the games because they are going to be done live, but you will be entered into the prize patrol, so you'll get the all-attendee giveaway and the prize patrol. So, wow, all of that. If you would like it, the time frame is quite tight. I may be able to go a little beyond that, but I'm placing my order on the 3rd of July, sorry, the 3rd of June. So certainly for the product shares in the initial round, I need to know that you want it and that you've paid for it by the 31st of May. And as I say, because I want to make sure that we've built in any delays along the way, anything going on back order, any issues with shipping through UPS, with Royal Mail, those sorts of things, that's why I've pushed the party to the 11th of July. Phew! If that is of interest, which I hope it will be, I've already had some orders for some of these. So places are filling up. There is, at the moment, I'm not going to put a limit on, but I may get to the point where I have to put a limit on. At the moment, we are not near that point. But if you would like to take part in any of the launch party activities or the shares, then let me know. The link to my post is below. So just hop over there, drop me an email, tell me what you would like, and I will get an invoice out to you through PayPal, which you can then pay either through PayPal or you can send me a bank transfer. As I say, this is UK only. Can't stress that enough. It is UK only. So, yeah. Can't wait. Thank you very much indeed for joining me, and there will be another video later today, which will be more of a normal video. And then, of course, tomorrow we've got Simple Stamping Saturday, where you will see an exclusive, not been seen anywhere else stamp set. Okay, thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.